Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome to Sunday's salad day. And I'm cooking as I'm talking, so if I look down and start stirring like I am right now, it's just so things won't burn. But anyway, I am making a salad today that I don't make very often. Now there are two things that my husband says he could not eat no matter how much money somebody paid him. One is egg salad, and the other is potato salad. Now, like he says, I love everything that's in them, but I cannot tolerate the idea of having eggs cold with mayonnaise or potatoes cold with mayonnaise. So, I never make potato salad. I love potato salad. I don't need to eat potato salad, and I'd be the only one eating it if I made it, because he won't touch it. So what I'm going to make today is a little bit different. I'm going to make a different kind of potato salad. And I'm going to bring you down to the counter, see if you can guess. And I think he might eat it. One hint is I'm serving it tonight with brats. So that might tell you a little bit. So let me bring you down and we'll see what's going on down on the counter. Okay, so over there I'm boiling potatoes, and down here I'm frying bacon. Anybody have an idea yet? How many of you still have one of these fry pans, electric fry pans? I've had this one for years. I'm not sure how many years ago I got it, but you know, I do use it occasionally. Probably not as much as I used to. But it's a great pan for making like your hamburger macaroni or American chop suey or whatever you call it. Because it's deep, and of course it's thermostatically controlled. I mean, it has a temperature control on it. So you can keep it on warm for a while after you've got it made. And it goes down to warm on 200, so you can cook things slow. But right now I'm cooking up bacon. I have 6 pieces of bacon that I chopped up, and I have them in here, and I'm just crisping them up. And that's right, we're going to make German potato salad. Now, I have read many recipes about German potato salad, and they'll say authentic, real, the real thing, and every one of them is different. So there's a lot of authentics out there. It may be like Italian cooking. It may depend on what part of Germany you come from as to what kind of things you put in your German potato salad. And the ones I've seen, some have a real sauce they put over it, made with the vinegar and whatever, but with flour and water. And others don't have any sugar. That would be a little tart. He's beginning to look good. I'm going to turn this down for a second now. And others have pickles in it, gherkins basically. Okay, let's take out this bacon. Already, I mean, how bad can it be? It has bacon. Seriously. But we're leaving the bacon grease. So, as I was saying, what is authentic and what isn't? As far as I'm concerned, what I'm going to make is a German style potato salad. That way I won't offend anybody. Let me just check my potatoes. Okay, they're not quite ready, so I'm going to put my onions in here. I have one small onion chopped up, and we're going to fry that in the bacon grease. We'll let them get some color. So the one reason that my husband will eat this, and I'll tell you right now, it's not his favorite, is because it is served warm or hot. You can serve it at room temperature, no problem. In some parts of Germany, they serve it cold, according to people I've heard. So there's all kinds of possibilities. I'm going to let those go for a little while, and I'm going to let my potatoes get a little bit further done, and I'll be back and check with you in just a few. Okay, my potatoes are done enough for me. Now I'll show you a couple of more things that are a little different. My onions are in here and they're doing fine. First thing is I'm using red potatoes. I like to use a waxy type of potato as opposed to a Baker, Idaho. And then I'm going to attempt to slice them. They're a little warm. I like the slices. Now the reason I like the slices is because leftovers can be put in a little oil and made into great home fries for breakfast. The other thing is I'm not peeling them. I like the peeling on when I'm using red potatoes. It's a good source of vitamins. But if I get some peeling that's separated from the potatoes, I'll just leave it off to the side. And these are fork tender. And some of the smaller ones might be a little bit softer than I like. How many of you make potato salad and the potatoes are really mashed up? I never heard of anything like that until I moved to the South. In New England, when we made potato salad, they were just barely cooked. In fact, some people say they don't like eating undercooked potatoes. So they really weren't undercooked. And I'm going to pour some of these in here. Get some room. I used 2 pounds of potatoes. Nope. And that one kind of squished. It must have been a little bit overdone. Come on, boys. Oh, get over here. Now I'm going to push these over to the side here. I have one more to do. Whoa! Almost lost a potato. Before I put the rest of these in, I'm going to add some other ingredients. I'm going to add a good half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to add, I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons, good sized tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just going to keep this over here till the sugar dissolves up here a little bit. Now I'll pour in the rest of the potatoes. I'm going to add a couple of things. I'm going to add a little bit of celery salt. And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And like I said, I don't pretend that this is authentic. Now I'm just going to use my spatula to try to mix these with the bacon, mix these with the onion, I mean, and the dressing. And I'm going to let it boil for a little bit, and it will reduce a little. I'm going to put a good portion of that bacon in there. And I had a neighbor who just left to go back north, and she dropped off a bag of bacon bits. So, I mean, I'm adding more. Whoop. How bad can bacon be? Alright, let's just let that fry a little bit. And when I serve it, I have reserved some of the bacon and some more bacon bits, and I'll just put it on the top. So it's really easy to make. You can use any kind of vinegar you want. I'm going to turn it down a little bit here. It really looks delicious, doesn't it? Let me just give it a few minutes and I'll be back for a taste test with you. Okay, here we are. I did add salt and pepper to the pan. Not too much salt because of the bacon. Boy, it's been a long time since I've had that. And this is still quite hot. And it can be served hot or at room temperature. Look at that. Well, very good, very good. What a difference. I haven't had it in a long time. And you can taste the vinegar, but it's not too strong. I don't think I need any more sugar on it. Some people might want it a little sweeter. And that certainly is up to you. But give it a try. Let me just bring it down and we'll end up looking at the good stuff, not me. There we go. I mean, seriously, folks, how bad could it be with potatoes and bacon? So enjoy. Make some German-style potato salad. And I'll see you Tuesday. Not sure what we'll be doing yet, but we'll be playing at some kind of crafting. So until then, everybody stay safe, stay healthy, play by the rules, and play nice now. And I'll see you later. Love you. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, back again. I wanted to share one other little thing with you. For those of you who like potato salad and make regular potato salad, I'm not going to be making one during our series because, as I said, nobody likes it but me. And we're not having crowds of people over to have cookouts and things right now. But if you make regular potato salad, here's a little hint to try. When the potatoes are cooked and you're ready to put your dressing on, instead of your mayonnaise dressing, while the potatoes are still somewhat warm, dress them with Vidalia onion salad dressing. Just pour it on out of the jar. I mean, you'll have your other things in there, your onions and your celery and all of the other things you put in your potato salad. But dress it with Vidalia onion salad dressing instead of a mayonnaise. It's delicious. And it's creamy, just like your mayonnaise would be. So anyway, that was my little tidbit I wanted to share. As I said, everybody play nice now. Please give me a thumbs up or like this video, and I'll see you Tuesday. Bye-bye.